Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to try to guide you a little bit to make the best choice for using n8n. So you know that often when people follow my workflows or my creations on YouTube, they actually try to apply them. So as a result, they absolutely need an n8n server. And today we have two solutions. Either we go here to the official website and click on Get Started. So here you just have to enter your email address and actually pay for a subscription to get access to the n8n server. But we must not forget that today n8n is actually an open source solution. That means I can download it and host it wherever I want. So as a result, people actually try a little, we won't say to bypass it, but to look for a better solution, because today, if we are on the official n8n website, we will pay for hosting on the n8n servers, but the cost is actually a bit high. We are talking about $20 a month, but be careful, especially since we are limited in the number of executions. That is to say, here I can only execute 2,500 workflow executions in the workflow, and that's very, very little. Especially if you are a freelancer or an entrepreneur, you execute a lot of workflows. We use the workflow so that it works for us, so that it automates. And 2,500 per month is very little. If you exceed 2,500, you have to move to the next package. So we're talking about $50 and even more, up to $800. And that's a bit high. Not to mention that here we are limited to 5 active workflows simultaneously per month, and that's not much. If we want to go up to 20, then we will have to pay a lot more. So what's the idea today? The idea is that even when I ask ChatGPT what the difference is between this package and the self-hosted packages, it tells me, listen, it's easy to use, and that's true. In fact, it's because you pay the subscription and you get the server directly. But if you want to go with a self-hosted server, well, be careful. Practically everything is your responsibility, doing the configuration, the installation, and that requires technical skills. So today, it will be very interesting to know that we can have an n8n server either on our computer or hosted on a VPS, but be careful, how do we avoid being responsible for everything related to security, installation, and configuration? How to get an n8n server at a low price that is powerful, with all the maintenance, everything we'll need, especially if we want to start quickly, especially if we are beginners. So today, in fact, on the market, what we have is this server, which is the Hostinger server. So on Hostinger, even when we ask ChatGPT to tell us what the best servers offered on the market are today, we find the answer. So there, among, let's say, the top 3 offered, we have Hostinger, which is there. Especially, in fact, with Hostinger, we have the possibility of having low rates. But be careful about the renewal side of things, because for most servers today, when you get a server even at a low price, the renewal is expensive. And I'm going to show you how with Hostinger we can get a server that's not expensive at all, but above all we can get a renewal with a very interesting trick, so you don't have to pay too much for the renewal. So what I do quite simply is I use Hostinger. Here they offer you several packages. It starts at €499. But for me what's most interesting in fact is this one, the KVM2. Why KVM2? Because here I have 2 processors with 8 gigabytes of RAM, and that's very, very interesting. Because when you have a server with, good processors and RAM, you'll see that the workflow execution is super fast, it doesn't lag, it's not slow. So be careful when you get a server. It has to be really robust, a server that doesn't crash, that doesn't restart on its own, that doesn't have bugs, because once the workflow is active, it really needs to be executed. So for me, I actually tested. Obviously I have 2 servers. This one I'll show you. It's the server I use directly on the official n8n platform. But for simultaneous workflow executions, I only have 5. On the other hand, if I look here on the Hostinger server, on Hostinger, I'm at 116. So parallel executions, and that's very, very important. It's huge. So here, when I look at the ones in green, they're published, they're active, they're actually receiving the triggers, the launchers, they're working, they're actually running. So on this server, there are a lot of them and they are active. On the other hand, if I go back to the n8n server, I can only give and activate 5, which is really very, very few. So here, when I take this server, what's the idea? The idea is that I come here, I take 24 months. Be careful, it's written here in small print, $12 per month, starting from the 2nd year. But what I did, once the 2 years are actually over, I don't auto-renew. I actually stop the subscription and I export all my workflows. A simple button, I do an export. Afterwards, I buy a new server and I do an import. So the new server that I buy, I always buy it at a low price and I pay for it over 2 years. So there you have it. Since you do an export-import, you won't have any configuration to do afterwards because everything that is credentials, everything that is workflow, you will export them. So it's as if you've switched from one server to another, and that's very interesting. And what I also recommend on the n8n server, be careful, there's a small button here called n8n 100 workflows. So this, what is it exactly? It's simply that it gives you a server with the 100 most downloaded workflows in the world. And so, if you confirm that, you won't have to add anything and you'll have a workflow. Not something to download, but already installed and operational. And note, it's 100 workflows by category. And so it really helps people who want to get started with automation. They won't have to, start from scratch. They can go here into the 100 workflows, choose what's a bit like what they need and modify it. So really, it's very, very interesting. To finish here in the official Hostinger documentation, I hope it's still valid. For those buying their first server, they provide a coupon which is n8n. This is a coupon for your first server if you click on apply. So that also gives a 10% discount. Now, it's possible that after 2 years, when you go to get a new server, create a new server with another email address so you can still use this coupon to always get the 10% discount. So that's a little bit of how to be smart and get a server for a low price. I know that for many people, especially all freelancers, a cheap server is very important for executing, working, learning, and progressing. And there you have it. Once we have that, we have a pre-installed n8n server. No technical knowledge is needed because for the configuration, you just have to select the server you're interested in. Be careful not to choose other types of servers, neither WooCommerce nor Docker. Just take this n8n one or the one that includes the workflows. So there you have it. That's the answer to how to get an n8n server at a low price and an efficient server. Also, don't forget that you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's also very important because on the official n8n site, you only get a 14-day trial. So the length of the trial is also very, very important to be able to test and see if it meets your needs or if automation just isn't for you. All right, you've stayed until the end of the video, which means you're very interested in automation. And here's a little gift for you to really help you become an expert in automation. So I'm going to put a link in the description that will take you to my 33-hour course. It's a training program that bundles 26 courses that are already on Udemy, the platform where I host my courses. But here, they are at a low price, and I'm going to give you a special coupon to help you access all of these courses, which are 100% practical. These are courses where I show you how to properly handle automation and become an expert. Because the difference between these videos here and the ones on YouTube is that here I show in detail how I create the workflow from A to Z. How I think, how I fix errors, and how I end up with a workflow that I can resell to businesses. You can already watch the video here. This shows you the course content in detail, and for the gift, you're going to click here. And here I'm going to click on a discount coupon. And here you're going to enter n8n 2026. You click apply and you'll get a 30% discount. You can even pay in 3 installments. And of course you have a 14-day money-back guarantee, or rather 15 days. There you go. So this is a platform made for beginners to become experts. On that note, thank you very much and see you soon in the next video.